Hey guys, welcome back to Insta Famous Model YouTube channel. Another video. Please watch full video, give a like, comment, share. Thank you. Pandora Kaki is a Filipina belonging to Philippines and a Lebanese belonging to Lebanon. She is a model and social media personality. She posts photos and videos of herself that represent her stunning body and facial features. She posted a picture on Instagram once and soon became popular since her photos went viral. She also has a YouTube channel where she posts videos about traveling and herself. She has a huge fan base on social media and OnlyFans too. This article will tell you more about Pandora Kaki's family, relationship, career and much more. Pandora was born in 1998 and wanted to become a model since she was really young. She achieved her dream through her determination and hard work. Pandora wanted to become a model since she was very young. She started posting her sizzling pictures in bikini in 2017 and instantly, her pictures started getting viral. She now endorses various bikini brands and is associated with one of the biggest brands, Fashion Nova. She has an OnlyFans account too, which has got a huge following. She also has many followers on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. She also has a YouTube channel with her name and has got a huge following on that platform too. Pandora has worked hard to reach where she is now,